Hi guys, I am back with more Fendace. I just could not resist. I did my whole vlog, go check it out. I have videos from shopping in the Versace store. I showed the first bag I got, which is right here. I picked up the La Medusa tote, the small one. I got the plainer version that just had the Fendi Zucca, the little F golden details here in the corner. They had two other versions of this where it had the same design with the Fendi Zucca print, and then I think the Baroque Versace gold kind of design on top in black, and then also in blue. And I opted for the plainer one. I love this one. But in the video, I did mention that there was another bag that I wanted, and I was able to get it. And then even in addition to the bag, the second bag that I got, which I will show you in a moment, I placed two more separate orders. One of them is still on the way. I did end up getting the wrappy, the Fendace wrappy in the white, because I wanted to use it to wrap around the handle of my white Birkin. Some people think you shouldn't mix brands, but I don't care about that. And then I got one more small item. I actually already unboxed this smaller item in my Instagram and on my TikTok, so follow me on both of those platforms. I always post deals and sales, especially on my Instagram, and then on TikTok I'm kind of posting more on there, so I can get stuff up a lot sooner than on YouTube, so follow me on there. But here is the first item. So I got another smaller little bag. It came in this little box. Oh, and you know what's so funny? I didn't even show this in the video. I posted like a reel of this already. It came with the envelope and everything, the Fendace envelope, gift wrapping, everything else. And then I got this smaller envelope, and I just assumed it was another, I don't know, authenticity card. And when I opened it, I was like, oh, it's stickers. So this is what was included in my online order. So yeah, I don't know if all the online orders came with these stickers. This was just from the Fendi store, like the Fendi website. Here is the top. It was all wrapped nicely, but you pop this little Velcro or styrofoam off. And I got this bracelet. So I mentioned this in my first video. This was part of the Versace part of the Fendace collection. So I did get these stickers from the Versace website. So I don't know, it's like hit or miss. I don't know if your order will come with these stickers, but anyway, so I got this, and I think it's currently sold out, and I was debating which size to get. I love cuff bracelets because they're just so easy to wear, but I wasn't sure if I needed a medium, and I should have just gotten the small. The small sold out while it was in my cart, so I got the medium. So this is the medium, and it is a little, like it's a little big. There's the opening here, so you can kind of close it up a little bit. So it's not too bad. You have a little bit of a bigger gap, but that is the Fendace bracelet. So I love the design. You got the little Medusa head here. This is my favorite type of designer luxury bracelet to wear because it doesn't have crystals or rhinestones or pearls that will fall off. I have a Chanel cuff that's also very similar. I did an entire luxury jewelry collection video also, so check that out. If you're a fan of the Hermes click bracelet, you would probably like this. And then, like I said, I also got the Fendace wrappy from the collection in white, but it hasn't even shipped out, and I didn't want to hold up this video any longer. So check out my Instagram and TikTok. I'll show you how to wrap your handle with the Fendace wrappy. This is my first Fendi wrappy. You know, every designer has their version of it. Hermes has the Twilly, Dior has the Mitza, they call it. LV is the bandeau. And I think the Fendi version of their Twilly is the longest from what I hear. All right, guys, are you ready for the bag? So when the collection first dropped last year, like when they showed the previews for it and then they had the runway show, the #1 bag I wanted was the Fendace Baguette, like the plain Baguette. I'll put up a picture. It's the plain Baguette. It looks like the Fendi Baguette. It has the Medusa logo on the flap part. Instead of the Fendi F's Zucca print, it's the weird combination of the Versace Baroque design with the Fendi F print. That's all I wanted. That was the only thing I wanted. And you guys, they didn't make it, I think. Like, I didn't delve into it any deeper than asking my Fendi and Versace and other sales associates, but no one has it. So I don't know if it's one of those situations where a runway collection came out and then they just decided not to produce it for retail customers. So they just made it for the runway show, and you know, it was strictly a runway piece, but it wasn't for sale. I feel like that was the case. That does happen sometimes. They make a piece, customers fall in love with it, from the runway show and then they don't produce it. I asked everyone, I asked everywhere, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get the baguette because it's not available. I got this because I do love it, and I like that now that I have a Versace bag. This is the Medusa, like their classic bag. But I still wanted, and I was still lacking a baguette, like a Fendi baguette for my collection. And my Fendi SA had the white baguette, like the silk one, but I really wanted the black one, the black and brown. And it just wasn't available. And I was like, you know, it's fine. I made peace with not having it because I'm kind of like at that mindset where if I really want something, if it's meant to be, then it will be, it will happen. I shouldn't force it. But then as luck would have it, my sales associate from Saks, Jose, I'm always reposting his Instagram stories. So follow me on there, follow him on Instagram. He is super helpful. He's at the Saks Fifth Avenue, Beverly Hills. So they get just a lot of pieces that we might not get. And he was able to get it for me and I was so excited. So here it is. Here is the box. And this is kind of a true unboxing. I did open it, but I put it back so I could show you guys. So here it is. Another Fandace envelope. Here it is. Here is the dust bag. I got the silk baguette, the black one, the one that I wanted, my second choice bag. So like I said, my SA had the white one and I just didn't need another white bag in my collection. I really wanted the black one, especially because I don't already own the baguette. I don't know, I just couldn't believe that they were able to get it for me. I couldn't believe he was able to get it for me. So thank you, Jose, for getting this for me. Check him out, follow him on Instagram. He is the best Saks SA. He has like the most exclusive stuff. Let's just admire this for a second. I don't even know if this is the right side to have the strap. I guess you can switch it around, but here is the front. It still has the sticker. There's the little Medusa logo. Here's the back. And it is silk, so I was worried that it would be really delicate. It's silk, it's a fabric bag. I wouldn't wear this every day, but for special occasions, I can trot this out. I have some Fendi sandals that would match this. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So here's the shoulder strap. And then it comes with the longer strap, which could be a crossbody. I'll take this out. It's pretty thick, it's pretty sturdy, pretty rigid. Even the lobster clasp says Fendi on there. And same thing over here. I take a long time to take the sticker off. I'm gonna wait. I don't wanna take it off just yet. Like I still have my stickers on my Birkin, which I got a couple months ago. I know you should remove it, I need time. So here's the inside. And the inside has that same Baroque pattern. There's a little cherub, and I mentioned in my first Fandace video, I mentioned that some of the designs are interesting. The white bags had the cherubs and they just had such a strange look on their face. So I didn't really like that, but I like that if this does have, you know, there it is. If it's just the one and it's on the inside, so it's not as kind of scary. But here, I'll take this. Take this out. Here's the inside with the Fandace logo. Here's the card. I want to take a look. And then even on here, the fabric kind of overlaps and then is stitched down there. This is probably the most visually interesting bag I own. Maybe my Chanel Sunset on the Sea, the blue gradient one, is a competitor, but look at this. Oh, there, it's got the cherubs over here too. It's got the little faces. Is that a cherub? Maybe it's a Medusa, I don't know. There you have another one on the bottom. Oh my God, this is so cool. I love that the shorter shoulder strap is braided. So it looks like you wrapped a twilly or like braided a twilly, mitza, wrappy, whatever they call it over here. And then it also has the Fendi Zucca right there. And I think they also have the wrappy. I think they sell it on its own. I saw only pink and white online, but my SA said they had it in black too. Here's the bag. And for reference, I am very petite. I'm 5 feet tall, so this is a pretty good height for me. I usually wear my bags crossbody though, so let me try it with the crossbody strap. Okay, so I'm putting the crossbody strap on here, and I didn't even notice that it has 2 D-rings here so that you can attach both at the same time. I was worried at first that you would have to remove one strap because like with the Medusa tote, you're supposed to remove one strap. It literally doesn't have enough space on the D-ring for both, but this one you can have both. So that's what it looks like with both. You have the top handle kind of dangling down. Okay, so that's kind of a cleaner look. Ah! Okay, I'm just in a very casual outfit today, but this is it with the crossbody strap and then with the short handle back. And then this is it flopped over. I love that little dangly pieces. This is so cool, like with an all black ensemble. And then you have this little pop of color with a little Fendi print sticking out. I will definitely follow up with a full review of this baguette and also the Medusa tote. I have worn this out a couple times. I'm so excited to wear this out and about. And I have some trips coming up this summer, some girls trips, and I am so excited. I finally have a Fendi Versace Fandace baguette in my collection. So let me know if you shopped the Fandace collection, if you are still shopping the Fandace collection. I think it's still available until June 15, like the pop-ups and the website and everything. But I am so happy with what I picked up so far. I got the 2 bags, I got the bag, I secured the bag that I wanted, and I got this other little trinket. And then I do have the one more piece coming on the way. But let me know what your favorite pieces are from the collection. Even if you didn't pick it up, just what you appreciate from afar. I still love that tote from the Versace part of the collab. It was so pretty with a huge rhinestone crystal Medusa, but I didn't need that. So I got this and I will definitely get a lot of use out of this. The Fandace silk baguette in black. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Check out my vlog if you have not already, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.